AKG has announced its new N5005 in-ear headphones at CES. The headphones extend AKG's Studio On The Go series, which offers a variety of cables, headphones and filters to suit the preferences of audiophiles and musicians. The N5005 is very elegant, comes in a black scratch-resistant and high gloss. Each one comes with a unique serial number, engraved on a small disc inside the box. High-resolution audio support means it can deliver higher quality resolution than CD, and a hybrid of AKG's one dynamic and quad via controllers gives it a 5-way design that promises ultra-low distortion, accurate and sharp media clear. This case comes with a variety of accessories, including 4 sets of ear tips, 3 sets of SpinFit tips, 4 interchangeable sound filters, bass boost, reference sound, semi-high boost and high boost, a carrying case and cleaning tools. On the front of the cable, there is a 2.5mm and 2.5mm cable, and a Bluetooth dongle with a 3-button remote control and a microphone with a battery that lasts 8 hours. Adjustment filters are interesting, and are not a completely common feature among intra-ear headphones.